A print SDK is a specialized software library designed to meet the unique needs of the print industry. Speed is always important, but it really is a critical factor for print SDKs because they need to be able to handle large files both in size and resolution and manage workflows that can involve tens or hundreds of thousands or even millions of pages. Being smart is essential for a print SDK because operators expect their digital press solutions to anticipate their needs and make intelligent decisions on their behalf. To build those smart features, developers rely on a print SDK's built-in print intelligence that enables them to create advanced solutions without needing specialized in-depth print knowledge. When selecting a print SDK, it's important to ensure that it offers extensive support for PDF, an obvious choice, but other commonly used PDLs, such as PCL and PostScript. The SDK should provide robust control over how the output is produced, whether using its built-in RIP or a third-party RIP driving a printing press. This includes control over spot colors, overprint preview, black generation, support for extended gamut printing. That adds orange, green and violet inks to the standard CMYK colors. And compliance with PDFX standards and excellent color management for accurate color conversion and rendering based on ICC profiles are also key features. Efficient variable data printing is another must-have for a print SDK. This capability allows a PDF template to be replicated with variable data such as text, images or barcodes sourced from a database to produce PDFs containing thousands of personalized pages. A reliable print SDK must adhere to industry standards, be capable of producing compliant PDFX files and successfully reproducing test suites like those from the Ghent workgroup. Cross-platform support is vital for a print SDK because print workflows often run across different systems. Choosing an SDK that offers the same APIs across platforms ensures flexibility in configuring the workflow. Utilizing the GPU for print rasterization offloads rendering from the CPU, freeing it up to handle other tasks in parallel. This setup allows for even higher performance when multiple GPUs are used. While open source solutions may seem appealing due to their low initial cost, commercial print SDKs come with the advantage of responsive technical support which can provide timely fixes and updates, making them a more reliable choice for high-stakes print projects. Choosing the right print SDK is a critical step for any developer or organization involved in the print industry. With the right tools in hand, developers can focus on innovation and productivity, confident that their print infrastructure will be robust, scalable, and built for the future. For more information, download our white paper.